We have another fantastic Canadian company for you next. InnerSpace has created the world's first turnkey indoor location platform that is designed to transform business operations. Sounds really cool, right? To share more about this company, please give a warm collision welcome to the founder and CEO of InnerSpace, James Wu.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. At InnerSpace, we help our customers get more out of their two most valuable assets, their people and their real estate. You see, office space is really expensive. It's the second highest operational cost for any company behind payroll. Yet, businesses have no way to know how effectively they use the space that they actually have. Do they need every square foot they pay for? There's 95 billion square feet of commercial space in North America, and corporate offices are spending upwards of $1 trillion annually in rent. So it's this high cost that is driving policies like hoteling and desk sharing as a way to try and control the cost of the footprint required by every employee. But our data is showing that nearly 27% of our customers' pricey corporate office space isn't even used. So businesses are compressing themselves, and they're impacting their productivity, yet still paying for space that they don't use effectively. This is why we're helping our customers optimize their compression policies. Our sensors provide intelligence about how their space is being used by the people that occupy it. But our platform doesn't just measure occupancy and utilization. It drives improvements, and it helps to manage the impact of compression on productivity. We help employees make informed decisions so that they can make better use of the space that they have. A single square foot of corporate office space today can cost upwards of $100 a year. And companies today are targeting about 180 square feet per employee, down significantly over the past decade. And many are aiming even lower. So hitting these targets while managing the impact of compression on productivity is a challenge faced by every single corporate office today. And for 40 cents a square foot, we'll solve it for them. Our growing list of customers represents over 430 million square feet of corporate office space today and comprises some of the world's most successful companies. Deals in the works today will see us expand that footprint to over 1 billion square feet in the coming year. At InnerSpace, we know that there is opportunity in every square foot, so we're helping our customers capture it. Thank you.